Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is I don't get the idea immediately when I see a question. Many students told me one common problem. They said, "Sir, when I see a question, I don't get the idea what to do, or the question looks complicated and my mind becomes totally blank at that time." If you also feel this, then listen carefully because this is not a weakness. This is a skill that you have not trained yet. Maths is not about getting the idea fast. Maths is about knowing how to find the idea. Even good students don't always get the idea immediately. They just know the steps to reach the idea. So today I will give you a simple method. We will try to fix it. We will try to find the best solution for it. So we are going to see this in steps. So step 1 will be stop expecting instant understanding. Your brain is not like a Google, right? Your brain is not exactly Google because Google is a non-living thing. Whatever you will search, it will come immediately. But brain not function like that. When you see a new question, confusion is normal. The mistake students do is they think confusion means I don't know maths. No, confusion means that you are thinking. Your brain started thinking. And confusion is the proof that you are thinking. Think about that dull student in whose mind nothing is coming. No confusion is there. Just if you will tell the formula also to that person, he will just copy the formula and he will write. No confusion. He is clear. He knows everything. So if confusion is coming in your brain, that mean that your brain is thinking. Your brain started thinking. So first rule is when you see a question and don't get the idea, don't panic. Just pause for some time. Step 2 is break the question into small parts. Most complicated question look scary because we see them as a one big block. Instead, do this. Ask three small questions to yourself. What is given in the question? What is asked? Which chapter does this belongs to? The moment you answer this, half of the question, believe me, half of the question is done in your mind. Because you know what happens? It becomes smaller in our mind. And when our mind in something becomes smaller in our mind, our brain handles small problem better than the big ones. Step 3 is don't search for the full solution. Search for the first step in your mind. This is the biggest mindset change. Students try to see the whole path immediately. That's why they feel stuck. They try to solve the entire thing in their brain in one time only. So instead, ask what is the first tiny step I can take here? Maybe writing a formula, drawing a diagram, maybe rewriting the numbers. Once you start moving, no, the next step becomes visible to you. Maths works like a torch in a dark room. Have you ever entered in a dark room with torch? You don't see the whole room at once. You see step by step when you go inside. So like this it happens with maths. Step 4 is accept slow thinking. Fast thinking looks smart, that's fine. Slow thinking builds mastery. If you are doing slow thinking, if you are taking time to understand the things, so you becomes master of it. If you take 2 minutes to understand a question, that is not weakness, that is training. Student who rush make more mistakes and feel more confused. Student who slow down builds clarity. They make their foundation strong, and this is the age to make your foundation. And the last step is practice idea finding, not just solving. When you practice at home, try this. Before solving, just look at the question and think what could be the approach. And if you know the approach also, then also you think once more time what I can do in this differently now. Let's think in this question in a different way. Even if you are wrong, it's fine. You are training your thinking muscles because I said already, this is the time to build your brain muscle. Over time, your brain will start recognizing pattern faster. And final message, what I want to give you all is not getting the idea immediately does not mean you are weak in maths. It only means you are expecting speed before building clarity. Mass is not a race, mass is pattern recognition. And pattern recognition comes from patience, breaking problems, and starting small. So, next time when a question looks complicated, don't say, I can't do this. Say, let me find the first step. That one sentence will change how you approach maths. Thank you, student, for your time and patience. Hope these videos are helping you. Let me know in the comment section what more I can do for you. And together we will make this maths very easy for all of us. Thank you, student. Bye.